What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm finally doing 30-day rice water challenge. As far as like hair growth gimmicks, I ain't with it, you feel me? And for the longest time, I especially did not think that rice water was legit. But here I am. I've been receiving like countless numbers of messages saying try the rice water challenge, etc, etc. What prompted me to really finally try this is I was doing a friend's hair one day. He uses rice water like every single week, and his hair, our hair texture is very similar. Actually, it's actually the same now that I think about it, but his hair just felt so much better than mine. He wasn't experiencing a lot of breakage, shedding, like none of that, you feel me? And what's funny is when I first met him, our hair was essentially around the same length, you know? Now his hair is virtually longer than mine. So, and he says really his secret weapon is rice water. So that's what really prompted me to try this out. So I did my research and I was trying to look up the science behind it. Apparently, rice water scientifically does improve your hair's health, manageability, elasticity, and for some people, it does promote hair growth. I don't want to make this intro too long. We're just gonna go ahead and get straight into my process of how I made my rice water. If you want to see my results, just stay tuned towards the end of the video.
So for my rice water treatment, I'm gonna be using black rice. You can use white rice if you'd like, but I heard that white rice smells really bad, and I hate anything that smells bad, so I'm gonna be using black rice. So I don't really measure anything out. I just kind of like pour some rice into a bowl, and then this is what it looks like. They honestly look like little bugs, but I don't really care. As long as it doesn't smell bad, I really don't care. So I just take some water, and then I like to just rinse it, just to, I guess, clarify it of any germs, impurities, etc. And then you can see the water is starting to turn like this really deep maroon like pigment. I don't really know what to make of that. That kind of worried me the very first time I used it, but I don't really think it's had any harming effects on my hair, so I don't really care. So afterwards, I just like to drain the excess water because I don't want to put that in my hair. That was just to rinse the rice. And then what I like to do is just rinse my sink just to make sure none of those germs are lingering around in the sink where you wash dishes and shit. So then I like to take all the rice and then place it into like some kind of container. Today means like a plastic container. I typically put it in like a cup, and then I just put the lid on top. But you just gotta use what you got. It's really not that difficult. You can either do this or just boil the rice water. And then you're supposed to I applied a full cup of water, and I just let it sit and ferment for about 24 hours. So the rice water itself, it's basically leftover like starchy water, and it contains hella minerals and nutrients such as amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants. And it also contains a very important ingredient known as inositol, I believe that's how you pronounce it, which is supposed to be the main source of where your hair growth comes from. So after letting my rice water ferment for 12 to 24 hours, this is what the rice itself looks like. You can see the rice is actually swelled up a little bit due to all the moisture and it's sitting. So what I like to do is just take like a spray bottle or something like that. Have like a separate spray bottle just for DIY concoctions. And then what I like to do is just pour it directly into my bottle. And since I actually measured out how much water I wanted to put in there, it was literally the perfect amount. If you'd like, you can add extra oils and stuff, essential oils to make it smell good. But like I said, the black rice water does not really smell bad at all. So I just kind of leave it as is. So what I like to do is start on freshly washed hair. I don't have anything in my hair. Now, the rice water does not have a slip factor, but it's really not that difficult applying it into my hair. I'm simply just drenching it all over my hair. As far as my experience with rice water, I can say that when using this, I don't really notice any results as I'm putting the rice water in my hair, but it's afterwards that's where I notice my hair feels a little bit softer. It looks shinier in my opinion. I don't know if it's just a pseudo effect or what, but it does look shinier. It's much easier to detangle my hair or like apply product to my hair afterwards. So that's like the only physical difference that I noticed right away using rice water. Not only is rice water beneficial for your hair, but you can also use it as a cleanser or a toner for your skin. So that's what I'm doing. I have a lot of leftover rice water, so I'm just gonna be spraying it basically all over my face and then near my neck. The rice water for your skin is also supposed to shrink pores and just like slow down the aging process of your skin. So, you know, any like laughing lines or fine lines, under eye circles, all that. It's supposed to tighten your pores and just overall brighten your skin. So I have so much leftover water, I might as well make it do what it do. So after I let the rice water basically marinate into my body, I like to go ahead and hop in the shower and just rinse it out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair looks so shiny afterwards. It doesn't feel like anything extravagant, but it definitely does feel better after the rice water treatment than what it did before.
So I'm gonna try to show you my result. So 30 days ago, I took this strand of hair. It stops right at my chest. So I don't really know how many inches that is, but that's hair growth. I'm also gonna take this piece right here. So I feel as if the rice water gave me like another ½ inch right here. Or maybe that's a full inch, I'm not sure. It is noticeably longer than what it was 30 days ago. Yes, rice water does work. Now, I haven't really watched a lot of these rice water videos. I do feel as if everyone's experience is gonna be different. Not everyone is gonna grow 2 inches in a month, you feel me? I saw a lady where it looked like her hair was getting thicker and longer literally every day she was using it. She used it like every day for 14 days. And you could visually see results every single day. Me personally, I never even noticed results. And the results that I do have, it's nothing like extraordinary. Like, I'm not knocking rice water, but to keep it real with y'all, now that this 30-day challenge is up, it's not something that I'd use every week. It'd probably be something that I use on a monthly basis, probably right after I clarify my hair. It's something that I'm gonna incorporate into my monthly hair routine, but to sit here and do it religiously just for an added inch per month, I don't have the dedication for it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the rice water challenge. Have you used rice water on your hair before? And if so, what were your results? Let your boy know. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below your experience with rice water. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.